Astro Eye Care aspires to be one of the most trusted brands in the field of eye healthcare. We strive to give value for money services to our clients, to our esteemed patients who come and utilize our facilities. We shall ensure that cutting edge technology is available to our patients at a reasonable cost, and that we keep on acquiring newer technologies as and when they are introduced in the market. And in the times to come, in very near future, we are going to introduce femtosecond laser system in Astro Eye Care Hospital at Lajpat Nagar, which is going to be our flagship center as far as the National Capital Region of India is concerned. We are in the process of creating end-to-end eye care delivery centers, which means that when you enter an Astro Eye Care facility, right from spectacles to vitreoretinal surgery, all the facilities will be available. LASIK and femtosecond cataract surgery facility will be available only at one center, which is our flagship center at Lajpat Nagar. The outcomes of every procedure that is carried out in Astro Eye Care is validated through peer interaction and accreditation with the best of standards available worldwide. This theme of being competent, compassionate and caring is very dear to us. And as far as competence is concerned, we are very critical of ourselves, and we look at the outcomes of all our surgeries, all our procedures. We analyze them, and very soon we will be putting up everything on the net. All the analysis of our outcomes will be available to the patients, so that whenever they take a decision of coming to Astro Eye Care, they come with an extra confidence, they come with that extra feel of knowing the technical details of the procedure, the risks involved and the outcomes achieved in our center so far, which will be validated by our peers. This technology will remain current for the next 5 years. We have gone for the third generation OCTs, which is ocular coherence tomography machines. We've gone for digital angiography machines, which can have an overlap with the OCT. We've gone in for the best machines for field analysis for glaucoma, where we have acquired software for comparison and for discounting age-related factors and short and long-term fluctuation in the visual fields that can occur. So in a way, we are ensuring that the human error should be reduced as much as possible. And the same goes for our operation theatres, where we have gone in for machines for cataract surgery that can also perform posterior segment surgery or vitreous surgeries. And the OTs are capable of handling any unforeseen outcomes coming out of cataract surgery. They can be handled at the table at the very same time that the surgery is being performed. We have got a recording system. Each surgery is recorded, and after the day is over, we go over our steps and we check for whatever the learning experiences out of each recording. They are shared with the entire team, and I can assure you that in times to come we shall create a pool of an intelligence pool which we'll be proud of. We will get the best doctors, the best technicians, the best nurses available in the system, and we shall train them to remain at the top in their fields through continuous training.
We have different kind of technologies, newer technologies and modalities for treating the patients regarding investigations. Most of them are non-invasive. As far as prevention is concerned, we would like all the people to, before and after stepping out or reaching back home, you have to wash your hands. If you're using computers, you should blink continuously, so that the eye is continuously coated with tears and you will not have a dry eye. And after all these things, these are the home remedies or office remedies you can say, but after all this, you should consult a doctor for the other complications which can be caused because of computer use or because of other eye redness, watering and everything.
Experience of going into an Astro facility is unique, and people who come out of the facility feel happy that they got value for their money, and more than that, they got what they paid for, and the outcomes which were assured to them have been delivered. As a part of our social responsibility, we are carrying out a couple of programs. We have adopted an all-girl orphanage in Faridabad, and we are going to adopt Mother Teresa home in Delhi, where we will ensure that the inhabitants of these places, they get eye treatment free of cost throughout their lives. And when we offer them treatment, when we offer them glasses, we make sure that they get to choose the kind of spectacles they want to have, the kind of fashionable attire they would like to have. We don't sort of impose our will on them. So it is truly, in the sense, giving them that kind of feeling of being wanted. We are also continuing our special campaign for people who are below poverty line. We are doing their cataracts at a highly subsidized rate. We have also written to the state governments that we will be willing to participate in any of the activities for BPL, and our facilities will provide the same level of service to people who are carrying BPL cards as well. We are also in touch with the All India Panchayat Parishad, and at national level we are coordinating with them for eye health care, and we participate in all their campaigns wholeheartedly.